Find a comfortable position with your child sitting on your lap, face to face, or standing behind older or taller kids. Use a pea-sized amount of children's low fluoride toothpaste on a soft children's toothbrush. Brush gently in small circles on the outside and inside surfaces and gently back and forth on the chewing surfaces. Now they can spit out the toothpaste, but don't get them to rinse with water, as this leaves some fluoride behind to protect the teeth. It's a good idea to let kids have a go at brushing their teeth to develop their own toothbrushing skills. But the reality is, children aren't able to control a toothbrush well enough to clean all parts of their mouth until much older than you might think. And it takes a long time to learn how to brush teeth well. This means our kids will need our help until they're about 8 years old. And the most effective brushing happens when they brush with an adult as a team. And after 8 years of age, it's worth keeping an eye out to make sure they continue to brush twice a day.